Hi, Monty Jed here, and I'm visiting with Dr. Brad Morris of Rejuvenate Health on Hilton Head Island, or just before Hilton Head Island. And Dr. Morris, with the pollen as bad as it's been this year, and they say it's the worst it's been, there's been a lot of asthma and allergies. People really complaining, fatigue because of it. What do you have that might...
Well, there's a number of things that we can address with asthma and allergies. Number one, identifying what people are reacting to is probably the first thing that we want to do. And once we identify that, we want to know why their body's reacting negatively to it, because not everybody that's coming in contact with this pollen is having the problem. So identifying why your body's not able to handle it is probably the first step that we do. The second thing that we do is we're going to address that allergy or that asthma in a number of different ways. One way we may do it is with functional medicine. Another way we may do it is with biophotonic therapy.
Tell me about biophotonic therapy. I don't know about.
So it's been around for years. It's actually called ultraviolet blood irradiation. And what we're doing with that there is we're going to withdraw blood from you, and then we're going to put that blood in saline and we'll run an IV back into you. But while we're running that IV back into you, that IV is going to go through an ultraviolet machine. And what that's going to do is it's going to purify the blood. So then when it goes back into you, it's going to actually kill these infections, get rid of these allergens, and try to get your body back to normal.
So you're basically taking my own blood, cleaning it up, and putting it back in. Then it reacts with the rest of my blood and cleans it?
Exactly. And the great thing about it is it's already your blood. So your body's not going to react negatively to it at all.
Well, it sounds like a miracle cure. What else does it help besides allergies? I mean, does it just start healing your body from inside?
Essentially, there's a number of things like chronic fatigue, yeast infections, fibromyalgia, heart disease, hepatitis, lupus, Lyme's disease, respiratory infections, and really the list goes on. Probably the most amazing thing that I found out when I started learning about this is this has been around for over 80 years. There's not very many practitioners in the United States, but there's over 3,000 in Europe
that do this procedure, and now you can have it done right here in the Low Country, and it's Rejuvenate Health, and I think that name kind of says it all, Rejuvenate Health, and they're in so many different areas. You have Dr. Dekel is with you as a surgeon, and...
Actually, at Rejuvenate Health, we do a number of things. Dr. Dekel is a surgeon, and of course he's not operating anymore, but he's focusing more on holistic medicine. He does bioidentical hormones, as well as the stem cells.
Well, we'd like for you to make a visit and actually just go on the line. RejuvenateHHI.com is the website, RejuvenateHHI.com. They're located right between the Bridge Center and the bridges to Hilton Head in that office building there. Rejuvenate Health. Dr. Bradley Morris, thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you next week.
All right, sounds good.